Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect GoHighLevel with Zapier. So first is just head over to Zapier's webpage and just make sure that you're logged into your account. So as you can see, they have this AI feature here wherein you can easily just type what you would like to automate. So the easiest method that we can do is use third-party connectors such as lead connector. So just click on connect, and from here you will be asked to enter your API key. It should look like this. So from here, all you have to do is just copy and paste the API key. Then once done, just click on connect. You might be asked to log in and also authorized. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!